Good day, everyone. I'm Cyril Jejon Fiaji, and today I'm here to present to you or talk to you about the C++. Right. So yeah, this is brief history about the C++ programming language. So it was created by James Shostrob in 1979, and it was formerly called the C with classes. So C++ was coined by Rick Masiti in 1983, commercially in 1985. C++ evolved, evolved into C. Evolved from C in mid 1998. The ANSI and or the ISO C++ language and what standards were provided. So why do we use the C++? Because of time, I'm going to give you only few points here. Okay, so it is used in every computing system. That's one. And then two, we have the efficient close to the machine programming. That's the system programming language. And then we have the C++ has object-oriented programming. So we should talk about the object-oriented programming. You know, it's a whole long process. So yeah, first of all, we are the so these are some object-oriented programming. Yeah. So it's definitely the component called objects specific. No, and then let's go straight to the coding aspects, right? So we have this it's called the AC++ program. So when you open the code blocks, is exactly what you are going to see, right? Is exactly what you are going to see. You are going to see the hashtag include IOStream using namespace std, then the int main, and then you see the cout, and then the end nl, and then the return o, right? So immediately open your and then after I'll teach you everything. So yeah, these are the C++. Yeah. So I think we should go straight. Let me teach you how to make a simple computer. Sorry, a simple calculator. Right. Let me teach you how to make a simple calculator. What am I? We have different types of programming languages, but I'm going to use code blocks. Right. I'm going to use code blocks. So when you open your code block, this is how it comes. And then you come to create a new, that's right, and go to the console application. Please remember console application. So open it and next. Then always not choose C++ because it's a C++ programming around. So next. See, mine is already at the C++. So next. So yes. Yeah, let me name it my YouTube because it's a YouTube dot cpp. It's my YouTube. So that's for this place. Choose where you want to save it. I'll prefer to save it. Let me a folder and name it my tube, right? My tube. So you go to next and finish. So yes, afterward this is what you are going to see, and then you open the source. You click on this source and you see a main.cp. So you click on it, and this is what you are going to see. Yes, so this is what you are going to see. Exactly what I showed you in the slides. So here is the case. Come here. So and clean this thing. Clean this thing. Right. So clean it. Yes. So we are going to make a simple calculator. Right. A simple calculator. Okay, so yeah, where were we? Yes. So we are come to do I'm come to help you create a new what do we call it? A simple calculator. So first type the int, right? Int, and then you open the bracket. Yes, the int and open the bracket. So oh sorry, after the main int, you type the int and you come to num1. That's the number one. You know I'm teaching you how to add two numbers, right? So I'm teaching you how to add two numbers. So number two, right? And then always remember to add your semicolon, right? So afterward, come to the C out, C out, C out. And then whenever you use the C out, you use the layers down symbol too. So you double layers down symbol. And then type in enter. You know C++. They always say it's just like English. So like this part like this, I'll just type in enter first number, right? And then in this you're supposed to put inside a quotation sign. Yes. So after the quotation sign, as I said, you always end it with a semicolon. And then you come C in. Then whenever you use the C in, you use a greater than symbol, two greater than symbols. That's what you call the code. That's the number one, right? And you use the yes. So come back, then do the same thing. That's the C out. Sorry, that's the C out. And then this time around, you do enter second number. And then the same semicolon. And then the C in and down to this time around. It's what and num2. That's for the number 2, right? And now to close it. And right to clear some. So now after you do this, you bring in the symbol. So you see out again. You know, it's so easy, right? So easy. See out, and then here's where you call the code. That's the int. From the int, so you come num1. Use the symbol plus the num2. So num1. I'm sorry for the so your num1 plus num2. Then you close it. Sorry, I think that's all. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. Right? So yes, after you run it, so now it has comes enter first number. So enter first number, let's say 2, and you press your enter and enter second number. So maybe 3, enter. And then as you can see, there's an answer. You see there's an answer right under the question. That's 5. So when you add 2 plus, that's 5. But let me show you something there. You can add something to, you see. It's so simple. You can just add something to where the addition started. So I think this place, right? So come here to the C out where the num1 plus num2 is, and then give another less than single, double, less than single, and you can type the answer is just that, and then close the quotation sign. So just that. So the answer is, let's see something nice here. So the answer is, okay, so 3 and enter, 5 and enter. Now this time you can see the answer is 8, right? The answer is 8. Yeah. So you can see the answer is 8. So number 2, so you can see the answer is 4. Yes. So thank you very much for having such a wonderful class with me. Next time come back, learn from me. Thank you. And as I started with, my name is Cyril Jejong Fiaju. Thank you.